If you don't consider cybersecurity threat in mind, then your application can be hijacked. Neglecting cybersecurity threat can result in your Electron-based Windows application being vulnerable to hijacking. Most of the application developed using Electron can be hijacked. So is your Windows application is secure or not? Hi, I am Vimal Bhaktavarti. I am a CTO at Margmaker Solutions. While working in one of the application of the healthcare industry, I came across the same situation of cybersecurity threat, that is DLL hijacking, in an Electron application. I was struggling to find a solution, but it took me almost 4 to 5 days to develop a concrete solution for it. Most solution you will get using absolute path for loading DLLs. So implementing, code signing and integrity checks. So these are the common solutions that we will get. To better understand the solution, let's first start with the problem. DLL, Dynamic Link Library Hijacking, also known as DLL preloading or DLL side loading. What does it mean? So Electron application relies on system DLL, that is if we take an example D3 D12.dll, so to be loaded without specifying the full path of the DLL. Instead it relies on the system search path to locate and load. The search path sequence is like checking the installed application folder, then system path means Windows or Windows 32 directory. So what attackers can do, they can place a malicious DLL with the same name as the one the application is intended to load into the application folder. When an application attempt to load the DLL, it loads a malicious DLL instead of a legitimate DLL. So hence running the malicious code which is present in the malicious DLL can lead to unauthorized access like a data theft and system compromise. What is the problem which I noticed in the Electron? So Electron app are built using a combination of web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and framework like Node.js and Chromium. Because of this, it relies on external libraries and modules to extend functionality or integrate with system resources. So these dependencies include DLL or other shared libraries which are targeted by attacker for DLL hijacking. So let's discuss the existing solution and their problem. Using absolute path for loading DLLs. So we cannot add an absolute path for system DLL because it loads even before the control comes to the JavaScript code. Even we cannot use the manifest file in Electron because of its sandboxing execution mechanism. So implementing code signing and integrity check, we have to do this. And so what if we can delete all the system DLL from the application folder while running the Electron application? So this is exactly which I come up with the solution. So what I did, I have once the Electron application loads, I first check all the system DLL and after that I removed all the DLL which are system DLL from the application folder. So that actually exact thing what I did. So when Electron application loads, it removes the DLL which is present in the application folder and that DLL will not get loaded again into the application. So this is what the solution, the concrete solution which I come up with. If you want your application to be secure, message me for free consultation. Thank you. See you in my next video.